Hi friends, in this video is going to share some useful information. If you have any issues on Xbox One console or on Microsoft account, you can contact customer support. It's very easily. So go to this support.xbox.com. So still need help, you can request a call, chat online and more. If you click on the contact us, right, there is a lot of options to resolve the problems. So if you have a problem in account and profile, if you have a problem with subscriptions and billing, hardwares, or any problems even, right, some DLCs, if you have any DLCs issues, you can contact them easily. So you need to choose that and you need to start the chat support. As of now, the phone support is not available because of the timings, because we have crossed after 4:30. So Monday to Friday is 8 to 4:30 p.m. you can contact them. Even Saturday and Sunday you can contact them between these times. It is very easy to resolve your problems. If you have any issues on Xbox One console or Microsoft account, you can contact them. I will be providing the link in the description so you can use that. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you.